In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to call anyone without displaying your caller ID or your phone number. By utilizing this strategy, you could maintain privacy for your phone number. So I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android device. This also works for Apple iPhones. So if you have an iPhone, not a problem. This is the same method. So get hold of your Android device. Once you do that, open the calling application for your phone. Once you do that, you could go ahead and open the settings to the top right or maybe the bottom left or right, whatever. You're going to see three dots. That is the menu icon. Click on that icon. You get a pop-up menu like this. Click on settings. And once you do that, I want you to go ahead and open the SIM card settings. So if you're utilizing two SIM cards, you may just see settings for SIM card 1 and different settings for SIM card 2. So go ahead and click on more. Once you do that, you are going to get an option for caller ID out here. Since my network is not good, it is not getting highlighted. But for you, once you click on caller ID, you are going to get an option to block or show your caller ID. If you select or if you choose to block your caller ID, when you make an outgoing call, your caller ID is going to get blocked or your phone number is going to get blocked, and the receiver for the call is not going to see your phone number. And the second method is by using USSD codes. Okay, so you could open the calling application and dial *31# and press the call button. Once you do that, your caller ID is going to get blocked or your phone number is going to get blocked. Now what's going to happen is the next time you make an outgoing call, the receiver for that call is not going to see your phone number on his or her phone. And if you want to disable this service, if you want to allow people to see your phone number again, just type in #31#, press the call button, and that service is going to get deactivated and everything is going to get back to square one. I hope this was interesting and you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up. Take care, my friend.